Hello everyone, welcome to Capsule Pharma News for Students. In this Pharma News, you will be aware of various webinars and seminars conducted by various colleges and universities. If you are a new visitor, please subscribe and click the bell icon and share it with your friends so that they will be benefited. Coming to the first news, ES Pharma Education is conducting a webinar on patents and designs, career opportunities for pharma professionals on 14th June 2020, Sunday. Interested one can register by calling this number and paying 99 rupees as a registration fee. Only limited seats available. Coming to the next news, Faculty of Pharmacy, University Technology Mara, Malaysia invites you for research webinar series. Interested one can participate. This is going to be held on 11th June. You can inquire this email ID for registration, or you can join the Google Meet by clicking the link in the Google Meet provided in the brochure. Coming to the next news, Guru Gobind College of Pharmacy is conducting a webinar series today from 4 pm to 5 pm on YouTube and Facebook Live about upgrading horizons and modern insights in pharmaceuticals. Key speaker Dr. Rohit Datta, Associate Dean, Goenka University, Haryana. Coming to the next news, Ministry of Human Resource Development, AICTE, and Institutions Innovation Council jointly conducting a leadership talk with Sri R. Subramaniam IAS. Interested one can join. All are eligible for e-certificates who attend. This is going to be held on 13th June at 1 pm on YouTube and Twitter. And coming to the next news, JKKN College of Pharmacy in association with Indian Pharmaceutical Association is conducting a online quiz on COVID-19 awareness from 19/5/2020. It already has reached 25,000 participants. Interested one can participate. I will provide the link below in description. And coming to the next news, MIBO is conducting a webinar in association with International Journal of Advances in Pharmacy and Biotechnology. The topic is Mendeley software demonstration. This is going to held on Sunday 14th June at 11 to 1 pm. The registrations are free. Coming to the next news, a webinar on role of pharmacokinetics in clinical research by Dr. Prasad Tata, clinical scientist, USA. Interested one can participate with the link provided in the description. Thank you.